So we have talked about the OpenStack Foundation. Now let's have a look at what exactly they are doing. So OpenStack started in 2010 as a joint project by Rackspace and NASA. And currently it is managed by the OpenStack Foundation. The OpenStack Foundation, apart from the committees that we have talked about, includes over 500 companies, including nearly all the big players in IT, such as Red Hat, Dell, Citrix, Cisco, Canonical, AMD, HP, VMware, Juniper, and many more. As you can see, software vendors as well as hardware vendors are involved in OpenStack. The OpenStack Foundation defines the official OpenStack components, and these components can have different statuses. They can be integrated, which means that it is fully accepted in the OpenStack environment. They can be incubated, which means that they are a candidate to become integrated, and you don't have to find them in all of the current OpenStack distributions. And there can be third-party products as well. These are products that work with OpenStack, but which don't have an official status within the OpenStack Foundation. So you may see them in some distributions, whereas in some other distributions you won't see them.